Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and at Keyword Planner. Now target your market. First, pick the correct account and immediately set country, language, and search network so results match your audience. Once done, decide which mode you need, discover new keywords to expand ideas, or get volume to validate a list. This focus saves time and prevents irrelevant keywords from cluttering results. It also affects volume and competition metrics you'll use next. You'll now feed the tool seed keywords or competitor URLs and review the generated suggestions. Start broad, then apply filters like date range, AVG, monthly searches, competition level, and top-of-page bid to narrow options. Make sure to sort by the metric that fits your goal: high volume for reach, low competition for quick wins. Once filtered, scan for intent and relevance, so your final list contains keywords users actually. You're almost done. Add selected keywords to a plan or export the CSV for deeper analysis. Use the forecast tool to estimate clicks, impressions, and cost based on proposed bids. This helps you set realistic budgets. Once the plan looks good, download and import into your campaign. If numbers seem off, troubleshoot by confirming geographic targeting, date range, and that your account permissions aren't limiting data. Adjusting those usually fixes missing or skewed results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.